Good morning, CG fam. Welcome back to today's video. Before we get into it, make sure you have you done your handshake yet? Let's do it together. Count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom, aye. So let's wipe to the intro. Wow, that was fast. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on your notification button to notify all my videos are coming. So you know why I call myself CG Vlogs main channel, and I said fam at the end and pronounce CG fan like all the viewers for you guys. So yeah, anyways, I have to get my stuff done today. Before I do that, I need to get my backing done. Before I do that, I cannot go back in with this on. That would be weird. Naturally, I will do is jump change into this to backing close. So let's get to the jump change. 3, 2, 1. Bullseye. Okay, one on your back in my backing close. So before doing anything else, have you been subscribed? Seriously, what are you doing in your life? So subscribe right now. I'm not trying to be rude, I'm trying to be honest. Anyways, I have to get my medication and get my breakfast in my system before I go back in. I need some fuel for medication fuel right here. And don't forget about breakfast too for my fuel too. So let's get to the time lapse for medication and breakfast. Let's get into the time lapse. Hey everybody, I just got done with my medication, a breakfast, a tea stone. I got all stuff done now, and now it's time for me to go back in. So see you guys when I get done with that. Peace. Hey everybody, I just got home from back in not too long ago. I will relax for a little bit longer. I will eat lunch until 12:40. So yeah, see you guys until 12:40. Peace out. Okay, everybody, it is 12:40, and now it's time for me to eat lunch. So before I eat lunch, I have to set up lunch. I'm gonna have peanut butter jelly. I cannot get the mini corn dogs out. It's so tough to get out because of it must be spicy chicken tenders or something like that. I just have peanut butter jelly for now for lunch. Also, don't forget, healthy fruit. Always have fruit for lunch. That is watermelon. So that's what I'm gonna have today. So let's get to the time lapse for setting up lunch. Let's get into it. Okay, everybody, I just got done with my lunch just a minute ago. I need to get my shower going. I'm going to support my dad for a fireman thing going on, so I have to get ready for that. I need to chop change into this too, the nice clothes to support my dad. So let's get to the chop change. Let's get into it. 3, 2, 1. Bullseye. Okay, everyone, and now it's time for me to wrap up today's video. I know this is gonna be a short video. That would be, I'm sorry, I was gonna do a full vlog today, but that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna try this again for the next day. So I need to wrap up today's video, like right now. So let's get into my vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great rest of the night on. It must be Wednesday. See you guys on Thursday's vlog. Make sure you subscribe to the links down below. Make sure you follow us on TikTok, someone new, and don't forget subscribe to First Squad Family, and others too. Send them never support, and don't forget subscribe to those YouTube channels, that is, DJK's channels, my channels, and don't forget about travels. Send them never support as well, spread some love for this. So I gotta have a good day, everyone. Now guys, peace out, and don't forget, never grow up, and don't forget, stay royalty, and we out. See you on Thursday. Peace.